Right, here we are guys, welcome to Carboot Confessions number 5. Some of you already know I have a bit of a thing for axes. So that one, so the eagle on the side, 0, maybe that was the size. And that one's a number 1 chip chop. So anyway, they'll clean up nicely. Handles both look pretty good, both quite usable I think. An old Raybone square. I'm wondering whether that's the original paint, green. Little bubble's been broken and it's a bit stiff. Oh yeah, and it's only imperial because it's old. Yeah. Anyway, that'll clean up nicely. It's a dowel jig. Yeah, come in handy for something. Now these these would have been electricity board pliers from the old days. They had some really well made tools, and these ones 11 inches long. My hands aren't small. Sadly, I won't be cutting very much with them, but I just bought them out of curiosity really. Nice pair of Circlip pliers. Seem nicely made. Can't see a name on them. Another Eclipse pad saw handle. Old, worn. That's a scraper. Taking paint off. Probably work on rust as well. Paint. Yeah. Spare hammer handle. I'll pick this file up. It's got a lovely stamp on it. Made in England. I don't know if you can see that. There's an elephant. Tyzook, Sons and Turner. How nice is that? Kennedy adjustable spanner, 10-inch. Looks in pretty good nick. Just needs a bit of oil. You guys already know I like the old carbon steel spattier knives, and yeah, that one's in bad enough condition that I won't feel guilty messing around with it. It's got number 4 written on there. Don't know what that means. Anyway, that'll be some good steel. If any of you guys know what this is, yeah, don't know, there's something. I almost recognise it. Anyway, suggestions down below, thank you. Little palette knife, don't know why. I like these old Stanley screwdrivers. I think they're from the 70s. Anyway, yeah, just bought it out of... Yeah, don't know why I bought it, but yeah. A little tiny pulley. Steel. Don't know if it'll clean up, but we'll have a go. Last not least, I bought this bunch all for £10 from one seller. So I've got a bunch of Rothenberg pliers and adjustable spanners. These two are Facom, and not sure what them two are, but they'll all clean up nicely. And yeah, £10 the lot. Very happy with that. Right, that's the end. More car boot stuff will be more car boot confessions coming in a week or so. Cheers guys, thanks for watching.